Good morning, students. Next, we are going to composition of function. What do you mean by composition of function? First of all, consider two functions, f from a to b and g from b to c, be two functions. Then the composition of f and g denoted by g composition of f. G composition of f. The small circle is composition, only read as composition. G composite f or g dot f. G composite f is also read as g dot f. Let us consider two functions. F, another one is g. A function f from a to b, f from a to b, another function g, b to c. The first function f a to b, another function g, b to c. The two composition function, let us connect the two functions, is denoted by g composite f. The two function composite with two functions g and f is denoted by g composite f. Okay. Is defined as the function g composite f of x. G composite f of x. A function with respect to x. F means a function with respect to x. G means g is also function with respect to x. The composition of two functions is denoted by g composite f of x. Is mathematical way of the another form g of f of x. Two functions. The first function is f, another one function is g. The two functions, the first function a to b, the another function g, b to c, composite with the two functions f, g composite f is denoted by g of f of x. This is the composition function. Okay, right. Solve the two functions. The one function is f, another one is g. The first example, find f composite g and g composite f when f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x square minus 2. How to find what is the given function? First, to write the given function f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 is given. Find the two functions. First, f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x square minus 2 is given. There are two questions. The first question is f composite g. F composite g. The two functions with respect to the composition function. How to define the another form of f composite g. The another form is f of g of x. F of g of x is equal to f of g of x equal to what? G of x is equal to x square minus 2. G of x, put in the g of x value. What is the value of g of x? G of x is equal to x square minus 2. Substitute the g of x value, x square minus 2. F of x square minus 2. How to define the another form? So, f of x is equal to what? The given function x multiplied by 2 and 1. How to create the function f of x? multiply by 2 in the given function and also add plus 1. So 2x plus 1. What is this? X, the given function. What is the formation? How to define the formation of f of x? A function x multiplied by 2 and add 1. This is the similar way of f of x. What is x? X is equal to x square minus 2 multiplied by 2 and add plus 1. So what is the value? 2 of x square minus 2 plus 1 is equal to multiplied by 2. 2x square minus 4 plus 1. 2x square minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. So f composite g is equal to 2x square minus 3. This is the first question. The another question, g composite f. G composite f. What is the definition of G composition of f? What is the other form of G composite f? G of f of x. First to be write f of x values. What is the value of f of x? F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. How to define G of x? Square on the of the function and minus 2. The given function, first square, then subtract 2. So, first of all, the given function on the square function, whole square, the given function is square. Then subtract 2. Right. What is the form? What is the identity form? This is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The similar way of a equal to what? 2x. 2x the whole square. 2. This is a. This is b. 2a. 2x. b. b equal to 1 plus b square. 1 square minus 2. 2 square 4 x square 2 to 4x plus 1 square 1 minus 2. Therefore, G composite f is equal to 4x square plus 4x minus 1. But there are two questions. One question f composite G. The other one question is G composite f. What is your conclusion? F composite G is equal to 2x square minus 3. G composite f is equal to 4x square plus 4x minus 1. So what is your conclusion? F composite G is not equal to G composite f. That's all. Next, 2 more questions. First 2 more. If f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x is equal to 2x plus k, and if f composite g is equal to g composite f, then find the value of k. Here the given point f composite g is equal to g composite f. The composition of two functions are equal is given. Right. The function, first function f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Another one function g of x 2x plus k. 2x plus k. Right. What is given? F composite g is equal to g composite f. All are given, right? F composite G. How to define f of g of x equal to g composite f. What is the another form? G of f of x. Okay, f of, what is the value of g of x? g of x is equal to 2x plus k is equal to g of f of x equal to what? 3x minus 2. Right, they are equal. Right. F of x. How to define f of x? A function is x. A function is x. Multiply by 3 and subtract 2. The given function multiply by 3 and subtract 2. How to define the function f of x? X multiply by 3 then subtract 2. So what is x? All the value is x. Here x is 2x plus k is x. The total value is x. How to define the f of x? Only x. X multiply by 3 then subtract 2. So what is here? What is the value? 2x plus k. Multiply by 3. 3 into 2x plus k subtract 2 is equal to. How to define g of x? A function is x. The given function is x. A function is with multiply by 2 then add k. A function g. What is the value of x? Here 3x minus 2. Multiply by 2. 2 of 3x minus 2 and add 1k. They are equal. Right. Multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6x. Multiply by 3 plus 3k minus 2 is equal to. Multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6x. 2 2s are 4 plus k. Left hand side 6x 6x. So using the cancellation law, strike out this 2. Right, the balance value 3k minus 2 is equal to minus 4 plus k. Transpose k to left hand side. 3k minus k minus 2 transpose to right hand side. Minus 4 plus 2. 3k minus k. 3k minus k means 1k. What is the coefficient? The coefficient is 1. So 3k minus 1k equal to what? 2k. Minus 4 plus 2. The different symbol. So subtract minus 2. Transpose 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. What is the value of k? K is equal to minus 1. This is the first 2 mark question. Right. Second one. Find k. Find the value of k. What is given? F composite of f of k is equal to 5. The function f of k is equal to 2k minus 1. What is given? F of k is equal to 2k minus 1. What is the another function? Composition function. F composite f of k is equal to 5. What is the another form of composition function? To rewrite as f of k is equal to 5. F of, what is the value of f of k? F of k is equal to 2k minus 1. Substitute 2k minus 1 is equal to 5. Right. What is the function f of k? This function k multiplied by 2 then subtract 1. This function multiplied by 2 then minus 1. So 2 of 2k minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 5. Multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4k. Multiply by 2 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 5. 4k minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 5. 4k is equal to 5 plus 3. 4k is equal to 8. K is equal to 8 by 4. K is equal to 2. That's all. Next, 5 more question. What is given? The two functions f of x and g of x are given. The two functions f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, g of x is equal to 1 minus 2x, and another function h of x is equal to 3x. Prove that f composition of g composite h is equal to f composite g composite h. What is the name of the property? Associative property. What is this? Associative property. Okay. Right. These two composition functions, they are equal. We want to prove that these two functions, left hand side and right hand side, are equal. Okay. Right. There are three functions are given. The first function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Another function g of x is equal to 1 minus 2x. And finally, the function h of x is equal to 3x is given. First to find the left hand side. Left hand side. First, to find inside of the parenthesis. What is the inside of the parenthesis? G composite h. G composite h. The composition function. What is the another form of G composite h? G of h of x. What is the another form of G composite h? Is equal to g of h of x. X means a function with respect to x. So h is the another form is h of x. What is the same value, but here only a function h. Here a function with respect to x is called h of x. Okay, so the composition function g of h is also written as g of h of x. G of, what is the value of h of x? 3x. How to define the g of x? Only a function with respect to x. 1 minus multiplied by 2 in the given function. So g of x is defined as g of x 1 minus 2 of, what is the value of x? 3x. So g of h is equal to 1 minus 2 3s are 6x. So g composite h is equal to 1 minus 6x. The left hand side, the total form f composite g composite h is equal to f of g composite h of x. What is the value of g composite h? 1 minus 6x. 1 minus 6x. What is the given value of f of x? How to define a function, the given function x multiplied by 2, then add 3. The given function x multiplied by 2, then add 3. Multiplied by 2 of 1 minus 6x plus 3. So, f composite, g composite h is equal to multiplied by 2. 2 minus 2 6 are 12x plus 3. F composite g composite h is equal to 2 plus 3 5 minus 12x. Equation number 1. Right. Right hand side. First to find f composite g. F composite G, F of what is the another form of F composite G is denoted by F of G of x equal to F of, what is the value of G of x? G of x is equal to 1 minus 2x. What is the function F of x? How to define a function x multiplied by 2, then add 3, multiplied by 2. 2 of 1 minus 2x plus add 3 multiplied by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4x plus 3. 3 plus 2. 5 minus 4x. What is this? F composite G. Then finds F composite G composite H. F composite G composite H. F composite G of H of x. F composite G of H of x is equal to what? 3x. What is the definition of F composite G? F composite G. F composite G means F of composite G of x. F composite G of x. A function x multiplied by minus 4 and plus 5. So, what is the value? 5 minus 4 of the given function 3x is equal to 5 minus 4 3s are 12x. Equation number 2. F composite G composite H. From 1 and 2, observe the two equations. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we have F composite G of H is equal to F composite G composite H. Hence prove. Next to find one question. Find x G f of x is equal to f g of x. Given f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 3. Find x. So f of x is equal to 3x plus 1. G of x is equal to x plus 3. What is the given function? G of x is equal to f g of x. We write the function g of x. F g of x. Substitute the f of x equal to 3x plus 1. G of 3x plus 1. F g of the function g of x is equal to x plus 3. Rewrite the another function g of f of 3x plus 1 is equal to f of g of x plus 3 g of f of x equal to what? Multiply by 3 and add plus 1. 3 of 3x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to f of x. G of x f of g of x equal to what? X plus 3. Write the function, add more 3. So x plus 3 plus 3. Simplify g of multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9x. Multiply by 3 plus 1 is equal to f of x plus 6. G of 9x plus 4 is equal to f of x plus 6. G of x. Write the function, add 3. So 9x plus 4 plus 3 multiply by 3 and add 1. 3 of x plus 6 plus 1. Simplify. 9x plus 7 equal to 3x plus 18 plus 1. Transpose 3x, 9x minus 3x. 18 plus 1, 19 minus 7. 9x minus 3x, 6x. 19 minus 7, 12. So x is equal to 12 by 6. X is equal to 2. So the value of x is equal to 2. That's all.